Hi guys! Today we're going to draw a mermaid. You'll need oil pastel, watercolor, paper towel, watercolor brush, watercolor paper, and salt. Let's start with her head. I want to make sure we can fit mermaid in this paper, so draw her head in the center of the paper. If you feel more comfortable with pencils, please use pencil or color pencil. Draw a big U in an angle like this. This will be her fin. This will be her arm that's closer to us. And another hand over here. I'm imagining long curly hair. Alright, let's color. Let's start with her face and her arm that's closer to us. This is light purple. With this pink, I'm going to mix the color. And with this dark pink, I'm gonna put some shadows. With this aqua color, I'm going to put some highlights. Let's put some darker shadows. With this dark purple, let's show some details and texture. Using the brown color, let's draw that line to show her arm. This mermaid is going to have orange hair. As we color, think about her hair directions. With this yellow, let's put some highlights and blend those two colors, orange and red. For darker shadows and to show some details, we're gonna use dark brown on our hair. With this dark brown, I'm going to show where her face is and her hand. Let's color this small hill. And there will be some kelps. Let's put some shadow on this small hill. And some shadow on kelps. Using dark brown, let's put her eyes. I'm going to make her eyes closed and her small nose. This is pink oil pastel. I'm going to mix it with red. Some small touch-up on our eyelashes. You guys ready for watercolor? She's in the water, so let's use blue. Make sure you have enough water and paint in your brush. Let's make sure they're not dried. You guys ready with the salt? You can sprinkle the salt before it dries. Let it dry a little bit. Doesn't have to dry completely, but let it dry just a little bit. Using different color. I'm using green right now. I'm doing this because I want to make it look like she's daydreaming. If it's too much paint, you could always tap with a paper towel. And you can always go back with oil pastel for touch-up, putting some darker shadows or highlights. She has orange hair, but I'm going to put some pink too. If you want, using watercolor, you can add some pink in the background. I did it, but I forgot to record it. I'm so sorry. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next week. Bye.